Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to complete your blockmesh interaction to qualify for the airdrop. So if you are mining blockmesh, go and perform the tasks on your blockmesh and then get ready for the airdrop. So every blockmesh miner must carry out the tasks. First of all, you have to log into your blockmesh account. Log into your blockmesh account, then click on the dashboard. When you click on the dashboard, you're going to see perks and you're going to see follow founder, follow all this. So make sure to follow all these follow all this follow all the Twitter handles. Once you follow all the Twitter handles, and then you go down, you move down to where you have interact. Now this interaction, this is a proof of kind of proof of humanity, right? So make sure to carry out those tasks. You go to your blockmesh, you will see that this tax has appeared in all the blockmesh. So try to do it as much as fast as you can to be qualified for the airdrop. Okay, so before we get into the video, if you're new to my channel, do well to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they can also get to know about this information, and then they can also carry out their own tax. So if you're new, subscribe, like and share. And if you have any question, go to the comment section and drop your question. I'll do my best to answer. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter and on my Telegram handles as well, so that you can interact. All right, so let's get into this video. So guys, now we have pex interaction. Yeah, now under this interaction, you click on it, it will redirect you to this place. Okay, now it will redirect you here. Now you're going to see blockmesh proof of humanity. Try to perform the tags here. So I'm going to show you some how to perform the tags. Now if you happen to open it, you are going to have some maybe network challenge. Just keep refreshing the page until it's open completely, right? So yeah, so once you open it like this, you're going to go ahead and log in. You're going to see login. So for now I have login, right? Now for your you're going to see login. So login with whatever EVM wallet you're using. For me, I'm using Phantom wallet, so I've logged in with my Phantom wallet. You're using MetaMask, choose MetaMask. Okay, so let's go ahead. Yeah, so once you click on that, you're going to see connect your connect excuse me, connect your blockmesh email on your interact personal page. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on it. Let's see what they ask here. Now steps to connect your email to personal data. They say go to https://quest.interact.io/project. So number 2, click on the button, please refer to the image. All right, so this is how it is. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now you are about to leave interact.io, redirect to external link. So let's see continue. Right, okay, so this particular one, I think we have network challenge here. So all I'm gonna do is to keep on refreshing the page. Let me check if my network is still connected. Please bear with me. Yeah, so guys, this particular one is not opening. It's not opening. I think I should refresh again. Well, this is not opening. Okay, okay, okay. Now they are asking for verification. So this one was not successful. I think we have to go back. go back to this one. So the guys, this one is not successful. I think I'm gonna skip this one, or um let me try it again. Previous, let me try opening the link again. If it doesn't work out, just keep trying. Yeah, it's not opening, so I have to skip it. Yeah, because I think other people are still facing the same challenge. Now let's go back to verify your identity. If you verify your identity, you're going to give you 100 XP. Yeah, verify your identity, 30 plus humanity points, and anyone KYC with Intract proof of humanity. Oh well, let's go ahead and see what's the really required hit there. You are about to leave interaction. The same thing. Let's see. Continue. Well guys, if it doesn't open, I think we are going to apply VPN. Oh, this one is opening. What is proof of humanity? Now identify identity and incentives for every human in the age of AI. Means a proof of your unique identity without giving up ownership of your personal data for better and higher rewards. They're asking for means. How human are you? Next. Okay. Your point. Meet your humanity indicator. Proceed. Okay. Points are how you increase your humanity. You gain through connecting various accounts and fulfilling. Users can continue any point even after achieving 100% humanity. Okay, next. Credentials. These are basic requirements for tax you can fulfill the various accounts. Or okay, next and next. Okay, next. Done. Alright, so here my humanity points is 3, just 3. So accounts connected is 2 of 12. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and connect all these accounts to increase my humanity. So okay, Twitter is connected, Discord. Let me try and connect Discord. Connect, and it's supposed to direct me to my Discord. Okay, it may take a little time, thinking, depending on the server. So Blockmesh is about to give out TGE, so you must carry out those tasks, all the necessary requirements. So just try to see if you can be able to do all the required tasks. Okay, they're asking for my email and my password. Alright, so let's go ahead and put it. So authorize it. Welcome back to the proof of humanity. Okay, So guys, you can see the more you connect your social handles, the more your points increases. So I've gotten 6 points for connecting my what is it called, my I've connected my Twitter, my Discord, my Ethereum. Yeah, so 3 is connected. Now what's this? This should be exchange, I think. Okay, let me see what it is. um oh, this one is not highlighting. This one is not highlighting. No, 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 no. I've only connected 3 of 12. So where are the other ones? Let's look for the other ones. Now, proof of human. Okay, it's so all this right. Okay, this is those ones are not highlighted. Let's go for other ones. Now, they said recommend action, connect at least 6 accounts, complete at least 1 KYC hub, and then connect at least 1 non-Ethereum. Yeah. Okay. Guys, there's so many things to do here. Connect Google. I'm gonna connect my Google first. Let me go for the ones that are. Oh, so it's not even enlightening. Okay. Now let's go for the recommended ones. Connect at least 6. I don't know whether it's network. Okay, none of those things is clicking. Alright, so let me just go ahead and verify it first. Let me remind you. Oh, it's failed. And it failed. Okay. So meaning that I've not yet completed the necessary requirements. Okay. Let me go back and check what's. They say verify your identity, 30 plus humanity points. Okay. Points and any 1 KYC with. Okay, guys. Wow. This is where the work is. Now they need 30 plus points. 30 plus. Score at least 10 humanity points to be able to mint your proof of humanity. Wow. Now this other one, now refer to earn 25% for each referral. Now these are the recommended ones, but they're not highlighting. I don't know, nothing is working here. I think I just have to refresh the page or something. Okay. Oh guys, so you have seen it for yourself, so I just have to refresh this page. Okay, let me refresh it so I can, because nothing is highlighting. So just go and check on yours and see if you can be able to carry out some of the tasks, because why, I don't know where they are bringing this. This is the only thing that will make you qualify for the airdrop. You have to perform the proof of humanity. Okay. So I think I refresh it now, and yeah. So connect Solana wallets. Let's go ahead and do it now. Connect. Yeah, Phantom. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in with my password. Connect. Confirm. Excuse me. Okay, guys, there's a lot of work to do here. You need a whole lot of 30 points. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, wallet is successfully connected, and then I'm supposed to be giving points, but why? Okay, now I have to refresh the page again. So guys, I'm just showing how to get started. I'm not going to finish everything, so as you watch this video, try to go and do yours. Okay, try to make sure that you have done yours. Nothing was added. Hmm. Okay, my 6 point is still here. Now connect Google. So let me connect Google. Connect Google. Plus supposed to be plus okay, plus 03. Very small. So for this particular one, for it to tick, you have to go and then you have to have at least 30 points. If not, it's not going to tick. Okay, welcome back. Alright, so my point is increasing gradually. So now what's this GitHub thing? So let me refresh the page. So guys, this is where the work is. Okay, so try as much as you can. Don't miss this task. You want to get your airdrop. Now the next one is what's connect Steam. Do I have Steam? Oh guys, connect Steam. Well guys, I don't have Steam account too. I think we are just going to create an account. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, sign up. If you happen to see this, sign up. So guys, for you to be able to mint the NFT, you must have up to 30 points, and for this for you to be able to verify, you must have up to 30 points. And then once you verify this, you're going to take this. So this is where the now choose choose Coinbase KYC, verify Bybit, verify OKX interaction and all that. So guys, the main thing that is handling me is this number 830, proof of humanity. So I'm gonna end this video here. I'll come back again to yeah, I'll come back again because this as of now I'm making this video, time is already fast gone. Yeah, so I have to lay my head. I'll come back again. So try and get your own done. Try and get your own done, and then once you're done, you are good to go. Right, let's come back again with another interesting video. Don't forget that this is going to last for, I think how many days is shown there? 18 days. Yeah, it's going to last for 18 days, so we still have time to prove humanity. Okay, if you have any challenge, put it in the comment section. Yeah, you're going to face challenges like network connection and all that, so try and see if you can get up to 30 points. All right, all the social handles that you have not joined, try to join them so that you can get more points. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe, and I'll come back with another interesting video. See you guys in my next video, and bye bye.